What's going on? They've been out for an hour in the rain. Or they might, I don't know, because they weren't that wet. But the rain has been coming and going. But they weren't making one single noise. Doing a lot of running. Now they're all snugged up and they think that's great. Huh, yeah, it's time for a nap. Oh, yeah. Uh-huh. Okay, it's raining and cold. And look. This just came from Chewy.com. And it is... Oh, this will look beautiful on you. Oh, yeah. This will be just stunning against your blue coat. Yeah, okay. Okie dokie. Time for a little nap, huh? Just, yeah, rainy days make me sleepy. Say, rainy days just make us sleepy. He's gone. Oof. Okay, and they are in crates because when new dogs come in, I try to crate. So there's not the running and the craziness on the fence line. It's not lunchtime yet, guys. Be about another hour, well, 45 minutes. So everybody's quiet, everything's good. It really feels like it's getting colder out. I don't know what it's doing, but it's cold and wet. And Apollo, he wears muddy legs up to his, all the way up. And so does Miss Cocoa Bean. This weather does not stop them. Look at Mr. Rocky. He just taking a nap. The temperature's just right in here. Oh, he just resting. That's good. Oops, I'm looking at him. Camera's looking at the floor. Okay, so today is Thursday, January 2nd. And they really don't. I could leave them in the crates for another hour. They're fine. Look, they're like, is the nap over? This is like forced napping. Listen to the rhythm of the falling rain, telling me just what a fool I've been. I forgot the rest of the song, but I always love that song. Okie dokie, we're just waiting out this rain, which will be Saturday. Okay, okie dokie, okie dokie.